All right, let's go ahead and jump into this meal prep. Let's go. Alright, so first I like to start off boiling my eggs, and I do this because normally I will forget. So I pour a little bit of salt in my water, and then I drop the eggs in there carefully, and then I let them sit and boil while I do the rest of my meal prep. Now I'm going to start my asparagus for my dinner. And I like to use grapeseed oil and a little bit of water just to steam them. Of course, I clean them, and then after I clean and pick out the ones that I like, I will cut them and begin to put them into the pan. Now I'm going to place my asparagus in the pan, and I'm going to put in a little water just so we can get the steam. The asparagus, the steam, and then I'm going to drop in some garlic and herb seasoning just so I can get it to be a little bit tasty instead of doing seasoning salt. I just prefer doing the garlic and herb, and it is by Mrs. Dash. Now I'm going to go ahead and wash. I already washed the green peppers. And now I'm going to cut up the green peppers that are going to be in my salad. And as of right now, I'm just doing the salad ones, and then the other half is going to be going into my snack bowls. So here's the other half, and I'm going to be doing the red pepper also. And cutting that up into smaller pieces. But if I were going to do it a snack size, I would keep it the length that it is already without cutting it in half, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to wash off any extra seeds that is on the red peppers. And then I am going to take my bag of salad and rinse it off also, and then toss everything together. So I didn't film tossing it together. My camera died. All right, now time to put the salad into its bowls. I like to use a glass Tupperware bowl. I really love it because it keeps the salad nice and fresh, and all the dressing is in the bottom, and I don't know, I just prefer a glass bowl. However, I got these from Marshall's. If you would like to buy them or purchase them, I got them for $12.99. They were really cute, and I just was like, ooh, and they lock, so I don't have to worry about spillage. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my asparagus into a bowl. Now I am not going to separate them into a mini compartment, because to me that just makes more dishes. So I just put it into one bowl, and then I'll transfer everything to a plate once it's time to eat them. Now let's do our carrots and celery. So I washed off my carrots and celery sticks, and now I'm going to place them into my mini snack bowls, which are glass as well. And once I'm done doing that, I click them closed, and I am going to bring the ranch sauce and put them into containers of their own. Alright, so that was my meal prep so far. I just have to do my chicken thighs, and I'm not sure if I should do that this video because it's not a long process, but I will do some of it. I'm going to try to speed this up. But yeah, I hope you are all enjoying, and I hope that you have become a slayer at this point of time, because in order to do that, all you have to do is click that red subscribe button and turn it gray. Let's go ahead and continue to meal prep. So now let's go ahead and jump into cleaning these chicken thighs. I already cleaned them and cut off the extra skin, And I didn't want to do like a play-by-play because that would make this video longer. But as you can see, I just took some of the fat that was left over off of the chicken. Now, when it's time for me to season, I like to season in the bowl or the pan or pot that it's going to be cooked in. Reason why is because I feel like I want to get all the flavor. I don't want no flavor missing. So let's start off with this garlic powder and let's eye it. We got some paprika. I put a little bit too much on one of them, but it's okay because I'm going to spread it around. Let's get this chili powder so we can get this chicken popping. Okay. Onion powder. And now let's go ahead and just put a little bit of salt, not a lot, and some pepper. Now let's get our hands nice and dirty. Okay, if your hands is not dirty after this, then you're not cooking. You're not doing the right thing. So go ahead and mix that chicken and get that seasoning on everything. Now, this is my favorite part. My sassy honey mustard sauce. So first you're going to take 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take some mustard and some spicy mustard. So some yellow mustard and some spicy mustard, y'all. Now, this part is to taste, okay? This is all up to you. Now you got some honey. You're going to put some honey up in there. And then you're going to grab your red pepper flakes. And you are going to sprinkle some in there, y'all. This is all to taste. So once you stir this up, keep going, baby, until it's right for you. Some people like it to be a lot of mustard. I had to add a lot more honey because I just like the honey taste, y'all. And I like to make it sweet. But just trust me, it's gonna be enough for all 4 pieces of chicken. Just trust me on that. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's start dipping these chicken thighs into the sauce. And just like I said before, again, this is all per your taste. But no matter what, with this sauce, your chicken is gonna taste great, y'all. Taste great. All right, let's go ahead and get the sauce on this chicken. All right, so all you're going to do is take each piece and just put it up in there. Just let it all marinate all over it. Just cover it, okay? Trust me, you're gonna have enough. It's not gonna seem like it, but you are, okay? Drown that chicken. You want it all over that chicken, okay? And some people like to keep more of the skin on their chicken. If you like to do that, just wrap the skin around the chicken thigh and you'll still be okay. You'll be okay. Okay? Now, once this is covered, you want to take a spoon and you want to take the excess of the sauce and spread it around. You don't need any butter or anything like that. And the reason why you don't is because you have the olive oil and it's going to help it cook, baby. Now, you are going to preheat your oven to 400 and you're going to keep it in there for about 35 to 45 minutes per your taste. And this is what it looks like. Alright, so I am all done with my meal prep, and I just want to let you know when it comes to my chicken thighs and my asparagus, I don't really like to pair those together. I like to just go ahead and plate them and then warm them up instead of keeping them into separate containers. Y'all, I am so sorry that I'm looking in the viewfinder because my hair looks a mess, but I am cleaning, I am decluttering, I'm washing clothes. As you can hear, y'all, I am slaying my lifestyle and goals and getting myself together while editing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about my meal prep, and yeah, I'm gonna be doing this every Sunday, so be on the lookout. If you would like to join me on my journey, make sure you go ahead and click that red subscribe button to become a slayer down below. Also, share this with a friend. I'm going to be uploading a grocery haul and a meal prep every single week, every single Sunday, and I am going to be reporting my weight. My official weight. Right now I weigh 170. So yeah, we're gonna see if I lost the weight. Remember, I am still doing a gallon a day. I also did a video on all the steps I am taking to lose weight. So if you would like to check that out, I will link that up here and link it down in the description box. As always, in everything you do, make sure you're teaching, praying, and slaying. And all my videos are done with love.